Hi, I'm Jaime White with Denver International SchoolHouse. I'm the owner and director. I wanted to take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions from families who are considering enrolling in our program. If you only speak English at home and want to be involved in your child's Spanish learning, this is how you do it. DIS will send out a newsletter each month that will tell you what the theme is, along with a week-by-week and day-by-day schedule so that you know exactly what they're talking about for the day. We encourage you to either read books or find out other information and talk to your child in English or in Spanish about what they learned for the day. Additionally, most public libraries have Spanish books and CDs that you and your child can listen to together. There's also websites and apps that you can use with your child. We also want you to encourage your child to use their Spanish language anytime you run into a native Spanish speaker. This could be at the grocery store, at a restaurant, or just at the park when they're meeting new friends. Visit us online at dispreschool.com or give us a call and schedule a tour.